It's me, Suze, and just for you with Suze, another day of crafting. Today we're going to make a oil burner out of a tall drink can with a lid. So the tools you'll need will be a drill, a 3/8 bit, depending on what size wick you get, a funnel, your can, a hammer, nail, your wick, and your oil. And I'm using a pair of vice grips to hold the lid while I drill a hole down through the lid to put the wick. And I've got a lighter, we'll light it off when I get it filled, made and filled. So first thing we'll do, we'll draw our lid with the hole in it to put the wick in after we fill it. I'm right-handed. Take the rubber seal out from inside the lid. Now we'll take the funnel, we'll fill the can up so far. I don't fill mine the whole way in case it gets tipped over. It's easy to tip over, get top heavy. About 3/4 of the way, a little over. Take that lid off there, it's easier to get it through. Pull it through from the bottom. You adjust the wick how high you want it to burn. We'll give it a second here to soak up the oil and we'll light it off.
Wow.
And that's all there is to it. Thank you.